Do you ever wonder how to balance working a 9 to 5 while trying to be a content creator? In this video, I'm going to spill the tea on how to achieve this balancing act, so let's go. Hey everyone, I'm Alana and I help aspiring creators grow while they also work a full-time job. And I'll tell you now, it's not easy, but here are 5 ways to help you achieve balance. The first step is to manage your time. When you're working a 9 to 5 job, 8 to 9 hours of your day is spent at work. When you come home, you are likely not going to have the energy to get in front of the camera and record the content that you need to do. That's why it's important to set specific times when you are going to create your content. Whether that's 1 to 3 hours a week, you have set specific times in which you are dedicating to creating content. And doing this will help you so you don't feel like that you have to give up the things that you also enjoy doing. The second step is to set realistic goals. You have to look in the mirror and be honest with yourself on how much time you can truly commit to creating content. And that's why I personally recommend to start small and work your way up. Because when you make the decision to become a content creator, you're going to be excited, you're going to be motivated. And we see creators say that they recommend posting 2 to 3 times a day. And if that's something that you realistically can keep up with, then go for it. But if you know that you're not going to be able to consistently post 2 to 3 times a day, shoot for a smaller goal, because then that will help you build your consistency and build your routine, so that way it becomes a little bit easier for you each time you're creating content. The third step is to batch your content. Setting aside 1 to 2 hours a week where you just record all the content that you need to do. I'm not saying that you need to edit, you need to create thumbnails, you need to do X, Y, and Z. I'm saying just record your content. When I first started creating content, I just did a new video every day and I burned out so quickly. By batching your content, in the end, you're going to be able to give yourself more time back to you, back to the things that you enjoy. The fourth step is to create a schedule that works for you. Whether you use a tool online or you use a notebook, creating a schedule where you set specific deadlines is going to help you show up consistently and keep yourself accountable. I use Notion to keep myself organized, and I use my reminders app on my phone to set reminders for when I need to post content. And that's what works for me. And the fifth and most important step is you have to take care of yourself. It's so easy to get caught up in the desire to grow a social media platform that you just forget to take care of yourself. Growing as a creator doesn't mean that you have to give up other things that you enjoy doing. You may need to cut back on some of the things that you enjoy doing, but you don't need to completely give it up. For example, I love to play video games. For me to consistently create content, I choose to wake up a little earlier in the morning so that way at night I have my free time. Balancing a full-time job and creating content is without a doubt going to be a challenge, but is completely possible with the right strategies and dedication. So if you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll see you in the next one.